Make some lovely pineapple muffins. Some pineapple slices in a tin. Get them in a tin because you're going to use the juice. Some butter, baking powder, eggs, self-raising flour, some caster sugar and a little helper. The first thing we're going to do is soften your butter up, put it in the micro if it's not soft, in with the butter, and then we're going to get those mixed together. With your butter and sugar mixed, then in with your pineapple juice from your can. Give those a mix. With your pineapple juice in, time to go in with 2 eggs. And then get those mixed in. Then in with your chopped up pineapple chunks.
Wow.
And just to break them down a bit more, give them another whisk. And next you're going to sieve in your self-raising flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. With your flour in, it's time to put your whisk away, and we're just going to fold all the flour into the mixture until it all comes together.
Yeah.
With your mixture all mixed, time to get a tablespoon. Go into your muffin case. Don't overfill them, otherwise it'll squash them out and come over the top. And then, just to finish it off, just put a couple of pieces of pineapple, and that's ready for the oven. Once you've got your cases loaded, it's time to get those in the oven at 180 for around 20 or 30 minutes. You'll see when they've risen and they're going nicely brown on top. When they've done browning in the oven and a cocktail stick comes out clean, i.e. it's not wet, you know that they're ready, so get yourself a cup of tea and get stuck in.